So what's good, YouTube? It's your boy. I'm not really looking at the camera right now, but if I wanted to look at the camera, it would be up there. I'm just gonna see real quick what we got going on. So basically, guys, what I want to just introduce to you guys right now is the fact that you need a 9 to 5. I feel like if you're not somebody who really has something going for you, or you don't have anything that you really need, basically you don't really have any goals. Like I feel like I'm one of those people where I don't really have any goals, or if I do have a goal, I have multiple goals. I just want to do like a ton of things, and I know that may not be ideal, or I know that may not be the best, but there are people out here that don't have any goals, and especially when you're getting older and everything, you don't really have, the certain goal you want, or you're not really hitting the goal you want. Guys, I really think a 9 to 5 is really gonna help you guys out. Like with a 9 to 5, it just helps put money in your pocket. I mean, unless you're not budgeting correctly and you're not really knowing what to do with your money correctly, you're just blowing your money. Like a 9 to 5 brings in a paycheck. Without that paycheck, like, can we survive? Probably not. Like we people, the people that don't have any goals, or have multiple goals, like we need to be able to fund these goals. And if you're not able to fund your goal, then that's why you need to get a 9 to 5. Like, you shouldn't be jobless, especially if you're trying to chase your dreams. You got to find some way to bring in some income, whether that's side hustles or buying or getting a 9 to 5. You need that. We need that. So make sure you guys get that 9 to 5. There's nothing wrong with a 9 to 5 either, guys. Some people think a 9 to 5 is probably the worst thing you could ever do, which could possibly also be right, but it could also save you. And I know, speaking from a person who really had a 9 to 5 for a very long time, maybe 10 plus years, it saves me. It allows me to go and, do certain things, like such as chase my dreams, and or my dream sometimes just changes up, and 9 to 5 helps me, stay stable. But a 9 to 5 is really just gonna help you guys just focus up, guys. Really gonna just help you focus up and just focus on what you guys need to get done. And without that 9 to 5, I think a lot of people just sleep on it. Like, there's no reason to sleep on a 9 to 5. You should really have that 9 to 5 and work really hard to continue to increase your salary, so you can go all in on what it is you want to go all in on. Like, there's nothing wrong with a 9 to 5. I feel like if you don't have a 9 to 5, yeah, you might be a little bit more. I think a 9 to 5 makes you a little bit more content. You can slack a little bit. You got money coming in, so you don't really have to. You can procrastinate, and without a 9 to 5, pretty much procrastination is not what you really want to do. And I believe that if you guys really, really want to get a 9 to 5, because a 9 to 5 is gonna just help you, man. It's gonna help you. A 9 to 5 is not bad. I don't think I know whenever it was bad. I don't know when anyone thought it was bad, but I feel like it's not bad. There's no way it's bad. So, guys, if you're goalless, don't know what to do, having trouble, just depressed, go find yourself a job, because at least you'll have some money coming in. And without having any money coming in, it sucks. Let me tell you, it sucks. You really need to have your own source of income. And if you don't have your own business, or you're not doing any side hustles, I just don't see why we're not getting the 9 to 5, And as far as investing and all that, that's going to be a different video. or what to do with your 9 to 5 and where to spend your money and all that stuff, we'll save that for another video. But for right now, we really got to focus on getting a 9 to 5. Like, I need you guys to go apply. Go apply to as many jobs as you can, because you never know when you may just hit the jackpot. You could probably find a job that gives you the best work-life balance. You know, you can do whatever it is you want to do. So don't hesitate. Don't hesitate, guys. That's what that will be what I want to say. Don't hesitate. This 9 to 5, guys, is probably one of the best decisions you could probably make short term. Short term. Go stack up that cash and just spend it on your dreams, man. Like, or at least have fun. Treat yourself out. Go buy some new clothes, some sneaks, you know. Take care of yourself. Go buy yourself a nice little meal. Get the 9 to 5. Don't be jobless. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what type of other videos, or if you have any questions, what do you guys like to see? Like, I'll try my best to answer them. And if I can't, then I can't. But for right now, I hope you guys really understood this video. I think it was really common sense too. Go find yourself a job. Go find yourself a job.